Hey guys, so this is Day 6's The Book of Us box. Sounds like there's something inside, but definitely something you can store like their series in for their Book of Us series. So let's take a look. See, here is our front, side, and the back. And let's open her up. So over here looks like there's a slot, so if you wanted to put a postcard in, you can. Or probably one of these cards would fit. But let's take a look. Looks like one postcard for each one of the series, the Book of Us, and that is the box. Short, sweet, simple. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and share if you want, and until the next video, bye guys.